Hi everyone, this is Scott, and I'll be talking to you a little bit about our introduction to Google Apps for Education in the next two brief videos. This is the first of two based on the training that I did on December 15th. Our agenda for these two videos are why Google Apps for Education, or GAFE, symbol recognition, what are the features of Google Apps for Education, and what does this mean for us as educators? So why are we transitioning to Google Apps for Education? There's a lot of reasons, but I'm just going to give you four. The first reason is that Google provides us anytime, anywhere, access to our files. Second reason is the ability to collaborate and share at a touch of a button is possible with Google Apps for Education. Third, there's no more worries about software updates, file versions, or which version you're working on. Four, it makes our teaching and student learning environments even more effective and efficient than they are already. So today we're going to talk a little bit about symbol recognition and basically what we should see in Google Apps for Education and what does it mean compared to our current operating system we use today. The first symbol we're going to talk about here is a symbol that we're all familiar with, and that's the symbol of save. The interesting thing about the save symbol with Google Apps for Education is that you're actually not going to see it on any Google Apps for Education software. The reason being is that Google will actually save the work for you every 5 seconds. So you can look on Google Docs or Google Spreadsheets or Slides. You're never going to see the save symbol because it already exists for you. So the first thing we're going to talk about when we talk about symbol recognition is this symbol right here. And everything associated with Google Apps for Education starts here. This is Chrome. And when you look at Chrome on your desktop, and here's a picture of my desktop right here, you're going to click here for everything Google Apps. So when you click on Chrome, what you're going to get is a sign-in sheet. When you open Chrome, you'll be asked to sign in the top right-hand corner on that blue button. When you click that button, you will get this screen on the right-hand side. And after the first time that you register with your new Google Apps for Education email address for Spotswood, and you'll notice that the end of our email addresses will be changing. The from part, which is our first letter of our first name, and our whole last name will remain the same, but then it'll be at spsd.us, which is for Spotswood Public School District. The first time you log in, that will always be there for you, and all you have to do is then put in your password. Once you put in your password, what you'll realize is you'll get a new screen, and that new screen will have these symbols up top. First thing will be, it'll be your first name. It'll say plus and whatever your first name is. Then you can access your Gmail, any images that you've stored, and then this symbol right here, which I've highlighted for you. This symbol I call the waffle. And basically, once you click on the waffle, you will have access to all the different Google Apps for Education apps and extensions and anything else that you download onto your computer. Once you click on that, click on the waffle, you'll see these items that you have access to. So your Gmail, again, is here. Your Drive, which has everything in it, all your files and anything that you're going to share, and this is how you start everything. And then something I'll talk about in another video, which is called Google Keep. So basically, in the first part of this video, we're talking about symbol recognition and doing a little introduction to Google Apps for Education. At this point, we're going to move on to the second video of the two and talk about more of the items that you'll see in Google Apps for Education.